So, Jude, how was your day? And where are we right now?
Mickey's house.
And so, what are you doing right now? What are you doing?
We're gonna find Mickey.
In Eden?
Mhm.
Oh. And so, Emmy?
We're gonna meet Mickey, and when we were little, we were actually about like toddler's age, about like not too big. And Dad, can you? Yeah, I'm gonna show them what we looked like when we were little. When we were Mickey. We looked like we were like 4. We were like that. We were holding a dance show. And Mom was showing it was pretty funny.
Oh,
Right
okay.
there.
Sure.
Sorry, turn the camera around so everybody can see you.
Hi. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
And, Dory, can you please tell us what we are doing?
Well, now I think we're going to look at the screen.
And what else? We're going to meet Mickey, right?
Uh-huh.
Here.
Mom!
Where-
This thing got stuck to my hair.